Hello world, how you guys doing? Today at work, myself, Tony Fo, and Mike C got to talking about some nasty video that I saw on Wallstar Hip Hop about a girl eating a little white mouse for $20. Now, eating a mouse is nasty, but eating a live mouse, whoa. That was extremely disgusting. Tony Fo couldn't even handle it, man. So I didn't even want to break down the details. I kind of hinted a few things, but he wasn't having it. Mike C thought it was gross. But Mike C actually outdid me. He brought up something about 2 girls and 1 cup.
So you mean to tell me you haven't seen that shit yet?
Bro, honest to God, I must be the only man in America that haven't seen 2 girls, 1 cup.
Okay.
You know?
Okay, you will see it right now. Are you ready for that?
Man, so, and I had an idea. He was like, well, Mike C, we at work, I won't be able to show you the footages. I can't do that. But what I could do for you is I will get on YouTube and show you the reactions of people that were watching that clip. And some of the reactions I saw was pretty disgusting. I mean, people just acting in all sort of weird ways. Dudes just freezing up, dudes puking. Guys jumping up, being hella squeamish. I mean, all kind of reactions I didn't see. So I told Mike C, I'm gonna check this out. He probably sent me the link. He said he was gonna send me the link, but nevertheless, I got from my friend of mine who actually happened to be just as surprised as everybody else because I didn't see this. So nevertheless, he got on the computer and he got 2 girls, 1 cup. And I told Mike C that if I was gonna take the time to look at this, that I was actually gonna record my reaction to this video as kind of like a social experiment type thing. And I think it would be really, really cool if we actually showed it on a Friday meeting. I don't even want to begin to imagine what Jim Rose is going to think about it. Guy Falco, with your big mouth, you know you're going to have something to say. But don't judge me, alright, Sly? I'm sorry, brother. But now, let me check this out. Go ahead, press play, and let me, man, I think it's a good idea to put the cookie down, right?
No, it's okay, man.
Yeah, probably. It looked pretty nasty, so I'm gonna pay a little respect to it. So I'll put the cookie down. Okay, go ahead, press play, man. Let me see what I'm looking at right here, and get the volume just right.
Okay, here we go.
Wow.
You haven't even watched the whole thing, man. Why are you running to, man?
Bro, that was the most disgusting images I've ever witnessed in my entire life.
Hey, just come on, just try to finish it once.
I can't. I cannot take another.
Come on, man. You're a grown man. You can do it.
I'm sorry, bro. I cannot take another look at this. I mean, that was just plain disgusting, and that was just wrong. Mike C, you fucked up for this one, man. You are hella fucked up.
Okay,
that is just sick.
I'll go watch it with you.
What I talked to you about, that little mouse I mentioned to you, was gross, nasty, but this is just plain nasty. Woo, boy. Guys, that was my honest reaction to this whole image. And I'm taking you behind the scenes. I'm actually in the bathroom right now. So
enough with the talk. Let's just finish. Let me see you finish it one time.
No, I'm not gonna see it. I just can't, bro. I just cannot even look at that thing.
Okay, I'll bet you.
So if you would be kind enough to get back to the living room and put something different on there so that I can proceed and actually get out of this bathroom, bro, I would appreciate if you can do that for me, because that is just disgusting. Let's get back to some music, man.
Okay, let's go.
Let me hear some of that some new shit. Wow.
Okay, I'm gonna play you another video, okay?
Bro, how could you watch that? Cram, how could you watch that?
No, that's the remake of it, hold on. That's reenactment. People are pretending to do what they did.
People are pretending. Why would people pretend to do
No,
that?
they're not actually gonna do it. Hold on. Watch these other two girls. This one is not even as nasty though. Okay, sit down for this one.
It's a reenactment, but why would anybody in the right state of mind reenact such thing?
They're not gonna do it like those girls.
Oh Lord, you're looking very identical to the one I saw, bro. Oh my God. That is disgusting, bro. That is disgusting, bro. That is just not okay.
Okay, I'll shut it off, man.